Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Monday motivational video. In today's video, I will tell you what is the best time to study, day or night. This is a question sometimes students ask me and I get pretty confused. So I want to tell you what are the benefits of studying at night and what are the benefits of studying in the day. One thing I would tell you before I start the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get all the motivation that I give. Starting with the first thing, which is the night studier. I am also a night studier. So for students who have energy at night and in the evening should study at night. Now energy as in means that you feel more refreshed towards the end of the day, and nonetheless this time is really peaceful and concentration is way too much at night because the outer world is also quiet. So studying at night increases the concentration of the students for sure. And the benefits of studying at night time are more peace and quiet time. Like I told you that the outer world is also very quiet, helps in recalling memory. As there is quietness all around, it's helpful to recall whatever you have studied in the earlier times and fewer disturbances and interruptions. This is the biggest factor why it's always good to study at night, because the outer world does not make that much of noise, and in your house also there'll be no noise. Second type of people are morning studier. Now studying early is the best way, as the brain is better to focus in the morning. Now you would agree with me that after 8 hours of good sleep, if you have taken good rest, good sleep, when you wake up with that fresh mind, it will help you grasp everything, right? Understand everything. So after 8 hours of sleep, you are ready for your to understand the concepts and for your studies as well. And the benefits of studying at the morning time are that yes, the brain is refreshed and ready to take the information, right? You have rested well, now you're all set to study. Secondly, natural light keeps you awake. Yes, so one of the biggest drawback at night is you need artificial lights. In the morning, the outside, the sunshine, when the sun is coming out, it's so beautiful and it will keep you awake, and it never disturbs your sleep schedule also. Now you will say that both of the times are peak times, right? I don't think that I would go with anything. It completely depends on your mood, your body, and the kind of person you are. But studying at these peak times always helps you because there are lesser distractions. Peaceful environment helps you stay awake, and mind works well for creativity and learning. So either stay at the study in the daytime or at night. Both of the times will really help you to study well and clear your exams as well. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much, and I hope that this video will help you in a way or two, and it will tell you that either you study in the morning or at night. Both times are good. Both times are helpful, and when you study during these peak times, you will definitely feel a change in your preparation and in your revision. All the best from my end. Stay subscribed and